We are going to the beach tomorrow, and we actually haven't been to the beach in about a year, so I need to go through and make sure I know where all of our beach stuff is. Funny thing is that we actually live really close to the beach. It's only like 20 minutes from us. Even though it's so close, we just get busy and we have a lot of stuff going on with our jobs and just taking care of the house and homeschooling and the kids. So we don't have time to go to the beach all the time. But we're going tomorrow. We are going to the beach. First thing I'm going to get are our beach chairs because we need those at the beach.
Yes, would you like to help me? I'm strong. This way.
All right, there we go. We're gonna put it next to the door.
Wait, next to the door.
Yep, that way we can grab it tomorrow. And so I have my chairs. Now the next thing I'm gonna try to find are the bathing suits. And I'm gonna hope that they still fit the kids because I haven't tried.
On Tuesday, we made a quick trip to Dollar Tree to pick up some beach supplies, and we've been storing them over here so that the kids can be excited about using them for Friday. They wanted to be able to play with them right away, but we wanted to save them for when we were actually going on the beach trip. So I'm gonna gather these together and take them and put them with all the other stuff. In case you didn't get to see that video yet, we let the kids pick out some things for their trip, for the trip to the beach, and then we picked out some things for our trip to the beach as well. And so we got like things like this pool noodle for $1.25, and Vivian picked out this kite, so we'll need to put that together tomorrow. And then this water cannon, and then some snacks and some other things as well.
Okay, Vivian found a shirt, so now we need to find bottoms to go with it. All right, she's looking.
I think I found one.
I think that's another shirt.
No. These because they're matchy.
Yeah, you can wear those. Yay! Let me see.
I found some
Woohoo!
matchies.
Vivian found a bathing suit. Yay! I have to find Pierce's bathing suit, which I don't remember the last time he wore it, so this could go wrong. It might not fit. I found these. I don't know what size they are, but let's take a look. Oh, they're 4T. That might fit him. Okay, we'll try these. Hey, I found a shirt.
Ow.
So let's see what size this one is.
Ow.
This is a 4T. Yay, this might work. Bathing suits have been located for both kids, which is a relief because I did not know how that was going to turn out. And I also found Vivian's water shoes, so I'm doing good so far. The thing I'm going to try to find is our beach bag. And I'm pretty sure I know where that is. It's in this cabinet we have down here. Okay, open the cabinet. Let's see. Yay, here's a bunch of beach stuff. All right, so this is our beach bag that I use. I don't even know what's in here. Let's see. Oh, there's a towel. Oh, and then here's a shovel. A random girls pull up. Shows you how little we use this bag. Here's a empty 15 tanning oil. Nice. Oh, this one's full. Okay, this one can be Anthony's. I did think far enough ahead to order some sunscreen for the kids the other day, so I do have that. Favorite beach items is this sand blanket, especially if you have kids, because kids love to dump sand all over your towel. Basically, you just lay it down and all the sand kind of sifts through the little holes. And so it's actually pretty neat to have at the beach.
So I've got everything lined up that I need to put together just for myself tomorrow. I usually wear a tank top, and then also I will sometimes bring an extra shirt just in case I need to cover up my shoulders, or if I maybe want to wear, more like a t-shirt that gives better coverage or something, if we're going to go to a restaurant or something before or afterwards that's not near the beach. And then these are my favorite swim trunks. I have 2 pairs of these from Toucan, and it's a really awesome brand. They have zipper pockets, and then it's a flat front but an elastic waistband in the back, so you kind of get the best of like the board short waist, which is really nice because it sits flat. But then there's like the fit that comes from having an elastic waistband in the back, and then there is a built-in boxer brief liner, which is very comfortable. And I was actually really surprised how fantastic a feature that is for a pair of shorts. And then of course overall it is they dry very quickly, so it's a really great fabric for that. So I really like these shorts, and they come in 5-inch and 3-inch seams. So you can choose whichever length you want. And now they've released father-son matching shorts. So if you like a particular pattern, then you can get some for father and some for the son. Then next up, you know that we love our solar charger. We love using this at the theme parks, and then we can use it at the beach to make sure it stays charged all day long. And then these are Shady Rays sunglasses, which I don't know if you know about Shady Rays, but if they break or you lose them, you can get a replacement for really inexpensive. So you pay like the initial price, and then you can get them replaced for like the duration. And then I use a drawstring bag to keep everything together throughout the day. So I am going to take my flip-flops and put those together with that, and then have everything set aside over here so that it's ready to go for tomorrow.
Of course, I have some towels.
Okay, and there's one last thing that we're really excited about on this beach trip. It's in this box right here. So I'm going to go see if Elena can help me open this. Are you ready to open the Shibumi shade?
Ready, yes.
We're excited about this. We just got one of these. We've been wanting one of these for a long time. We've seen some other people using them on the beach, and we've been using like our beach umbrella, and we like it, but this is pretty awesome. It's a game changer. We're gonna open it up and show you. So right now the promotion is for purple and gold Shibumi shade. So it's kind of neat because the tape on the outside are the colors. So maybe that's consistent on all of their packaging, so you can make sure that you got the right one. I'm really wondering what it's going to be like to set it up. And we do plan to do like a full review of, I can't find where the flaps are. Oh, there. We're going to do a full review of how to set it up and everything when we're on the beach. But this far, here's the box. Okay. So now we got to open this part up. All right, good. It comes with a carrying case. I'm pretty excited about that because that makes it so that it's easy to carry around. And as the dad of the family, that's going to be my responsibility to do that all the time. So it's good when there's a helpful, easy way to do it. And this is much more compact than the other umbrella that we had. So I was really afraid that it was going to be like really cumbersome when we looked at it. But here it comes.
I'm so excited. Where's the purple? There's a purple, there's a purple.
There it is. Looks like a parachute.
It does.
Oh, I can, oh.
Okay.
Hey,
Let's see what else there is. It looks like that there are some poles in here. I don't think I'm going to take all of those out because I don't want to have to. But that looks like it's about it. So
I'm just going to take it out.
it's pretty simple what's contained in here. And when you watch our beach video, then you're going to see what it's like for us to set it up. But I'm excited about taking this to the beach for the first time. And it looks like that some other people are too.
Hey, who took my blanket? I did. No.
It's been located everybody's water shoes and bathing suits. So I have packed those in the bag. I also have our beach blanket, towel, and now I'm just gonna throw some snacks in there and grab my sunscreen from the other room.
It was actually pretty easy to fit back into the packaging. I'm really looking forward to setting this up tomorrow, and maybe I'll be able to provide some B-roll about what it looks like once we do have it set up.
I have the snack bag ready, which we all know is the most important part of any adventure day.
Oh, I just found this in the bottom of the box, and it is wind assist. So I had been wondering how you could anchor this without having everything blow away, and I think that this is probably the answer to that. So I'm going to drop it inside of that bag as well. Another thing that we got just ahead of this particular trip, but it's something that we want to use on all of our trips going forward, is that for the safety and like location of our children, you can buy tiles, which if you're familiar with tiles, this can be used for any kind of like location. You can press the button on the tile to locate your cell phone, or connect this, for example, with your keys or your wallet, and then have it will ring in another room if you happen to misplace your keys or happen to misplace your wallet. So these are excellent. And then also they're a really good thing to use for tracking your luggage and all kinds of things. So this is an excellent travel device. And I'll place a link for it in our description below as well, because these are just easy to purchase on Amazon. But then as far as for children's safety, you can get these wristbands that are perfectly sized for the tiles. And then you put the tile on the inside of the wristband, and then you place it on your child, and your child has the ability to wear it. Your child can press the button if they happen to lose you, and it will ring on your phone, or you can on your app keep track of where your children are, and you can also page them if they happen to wander away. So this is a really awesome device, and it doesn't involve any screens or anything like that, but it's a great way to keep track of your children when you're traveling. And these items are sold separately, so I'll link these in the description as well. Vivian's gonna open it. You wanna open this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
For me.
That's right. Are you a big, strong man? You can open it?
Got it.
Good job. Here, you want some help, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's mine.
Yeah, there's a pink one and a green one. Okay.
Hey, what's this?
That's the part that goes on the back, but hold on, before you put that on, let me put the tile inside. Okay, so we got them set up. Vivian, can you show us yours? And then Pierce, show us yours. There you go. So they like wearing them on the wrist. And then all they have to do is press the button, and then it'll chime on one of our phones if they press it. And then also from our phone, we can cause it to chime. And then also, if you pay for the monthly subscription, then it will keep a log of all of the locations where where the device has shown up, so we can keep a track of them wherever we are. And also, since this is a beach prep video, one thing you should know about the wristbands is that they are waterproof. They advertise as waterproof, but they're more like water resistant. They're not supposed to be submerged for a long time.
I'm officially done packing for tomorrow. I have extra clothes for everybody, and I have swimsuits. I have my bag all packed, so I think we'll be ready to go for tomorrow.
And we appreciate Shaboomy Shade for sponsoring today's video. And what that means for you is that there is an affiliate link with a discount code located in the description below.